Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am back with another beautiful collection about Christmas centerpieces. All the ideas are very unique and beautiful. So watch the video till end. It is very helpful for you. Keep supporting me, keep liking my videos, share my video also. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing and beautiful updates. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy. Have a nice day.